In this exercise, we're going to talk about the Activity tab. Activity is the first tab within our tab bar. The Activity section is a record of everything that you and your teammates do within Microsoft Teams and the chat apps. This is useful because it consolidates all of the activities from your different chats, channels, teams, all into one place. As activities go on in your different channels, you'll see a red numbered icon over the activity icon. This is to notify you that things are happening that you haven't seen yet. If you click on your Activity tab, the red number will disappear. The feed is the list of all the activities going on in your channels. You'll see entries here from all the people that you interact with within Teams. If they liked a post you made, if they replied to something you said, or @mentioned you, you'll see it here in your activity feed. Within your activity list, you will see who the activity is linked to, what type of activity it was, and where it happened. For example, you can see here, Eric mentioned you and where it occurred. You can see a small icon within the activity list next to each entry showing the type of activity it was. For example, a thumb is a reaction. An arrow pointing left is a reply. A ribbon is a role change, and a people is a indication that you've been added to a team. If you haven't read an activity, it will appear in bold. Once you select and click on that activity, it then will remove that bold, indicating that you've read it or looked at it. If you find an activity that you want to come back to more quickly, you can mark it as unread. For example, I'll come and mark this mention as unread. I can click the ellipse here and then choose Mark as Unread. When I do, it returns that bold with a small black dot to the left, showing me that that is now unread. When you select a particular activity, it will briefly highlight the area that it was in reference to. You'll notice that that was highlighted. I'll select this one here. It'll show me that this is highlighted. Again, I'll come back to this and notice this will be highlighted in orange or a light red. Thanks for watching. That's all there is to it here with the activity feed. I hope this was helpful, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next exercise.